Discovering the Microscopic Universe, the world of cellular organelles. Hello, and welcome to our exciting journey into the microscopic world inside our cells. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of cellular organelles. These tiny structures play vital roles in the life of a cell, much like the organs in our bodies. Understanding them is not just fascinating. It's essential for grasping how life functions at the most fundamental level. So, let's dive in and explore these microscopic marvels together. Cellular organelles are specialized structures within cells that perform distinct processes necessary for the cell's survival and function. Think of a cell as a factory, and organelles are its various departments, each with a specific role. From generating energy to disposing of waste, organelles ensure the cell operates smoothly. Let's start with the mitochondria, often referred to as the cell's powerhouses. They generate most of the cell's supply of ATP, a type of energy currency, making them crucial for energy production. Next, we have ribosomes, the cell's protein factories. They read the genetic information carried by mRNA and translate it into proteins. Proteins are essential for building cell structures and facilitating chemical reactions. The Golgi apparatus functions as the cell's shipping department. It modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for delivery to their destination inside or outside the cell. Lysosomes are the cell's recycling centers. They digest excess or worn-out organelles, food particles, and engulfed viruses or bacteria, breaking them down into simple compounds. At the heart of cellular operations is the nucleus, the command center of the cell. It houses DNA, the genetic material that dictates everything the cell does. The nucleus controls cell growth, metabolism, and reproduction, directing the synthesis of proteins by sending messages to the ribosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum, or, acts as the cell's manufacturing and packaging system. The rough is studded with ribosomes for protein synthesis, while the smoother is involved in lipid synthesis and detoxification. Chloroplasts, found in plant cells, these organelles carry out photosynthesis, converting sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen, a process essential for life on Earth. Cytoskeleton, a network of fibers that provides structural support to the cell, aids in cell movement, and directs the movement of organelles within the cell. Congratulations on taking this deep dive into the world of cellular organelles. These tiny structures are the backbone of cellular life, each playing a critical role in keeping cells, and thus organisms, alive and functioning. Whether it's generating energy, making proteins, or recycling waste, each organelle is a vital part of the cell's ecosystem. We hope this journey has illuminated the fascinating complexity of life at the microscopic level. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more wonders of biology together. Stay curious,